Bright suns, everybody.
Bright suns, welcome back to Ordinary Adventures. We're here back in Batuu.
Back at Galaxy's Edge in Disneyland.
Yes.
Another thing we haven't done in Galaxy's Edge is gotten our hands on that Black Kyber Crystal. I'm on a mission. I'm announcing my candidacy for the Black Kyber Crystal today. Join us on this adventure. When you build a lightsaber, you need to pick a Kyber Crystal. Kyber Crystal is the thing that powers the lightsaber. It comes in a variety of colors. In Savi's, you can pick a red, a green, a blue, or purple. In dok-ondars, you can pick yellow and white additionally. You can buy them additionally. You can see me building my lightsaber. I'll link it in the show notes and up above. But today I wanted to announce a challenge, a Black Kyber Crystal challenge. The Kyber Crystal determines not only the color of your blade, but also the sound of your blade. There's different cuts, there's different kinds for each color. So the red Kyber Crystal, to give you an example, you could get Darth Vader, you could get Darth Maul, you could get the Emperor, and you determine that by putting it in a Jedi Holocron, or Jedi or Sith Holocron that you can buy at dok-ondar.
The Midichlorians are a microscopic life form that resides within all living cells.
Yeah, Qui-Gon
And
Jinn.
they are symbiotes with them. Life forms living together for mutual advantage. Without the midichlorians, life could not exist, and we would have no knowledge.
I'm down with that. By the way, I
green,
love that it turned green when I put the green crystal in there. There's 15 different types of crystals. The rarest of all is the Black Kyber Crystal. When you buy a Kyber Crystal in dok-ondars, then in Antiquities, it comes in one of these canisters. And you don't know what's inside. I mean, you know it's the color that you got, but the red canisters contain, I think it's 1 in 100, contain a Black Kyber Crystal. Black Kyber Crystal is for Snoke. It's put in the Jedi or Sith Holocron. It's Snoke. It's the rarest Kyber Crystal. It's basically like, these are like mystery boxes. And the Black Kyber Crystals sell for upwards of thousands of dollars on eBay, as low as $500-600. I've wanted one since I've started coming to Galaxy's Edge. Once people discovered the rare Black Kyber Crystals, people found out that there's a way to spot them. You could take your phone and shine the light through the crystal, and you could spot if there was a black crystal inside. Since that happening, Disney employees were trampled. They started carrying the crystals behind the counter because of that. And now the second versions of the crystals have come out, and they've now created packaging that hides the fact. You can no longer shine your flashlight through to see if it's a Black Kyber Crystal. But I want one. I want one, so I decided I'm gonna create the Black Kyber Crystal challenge. We come here to Galaxy's Edge so often that I thought, maybe I'll buy a red Kyber Crystal every time we're here and see how long it takes me to uncover a Black Kyber Crystal. Is that a good idea?
Yes. Day one. Fingers crossed or you know what? Be good if we got it today, but.
Want red?
Yeah.
You're right with this one.
All right, this truly is a game of chance because you don't even get the option to pick your own. You're relying on the cast member to pick it for you.
All right. You guys are all set. Good luck.
Thank you.
So inspired. Have a good day. Thanks.
How much is this going to cost us every time we come to Galaxy's Edge?
Well, a Kyber Crystal is $14.99, but we're annual pass holders, so we get a discount. So it ends up being $12 after the discount.
Okay.
$11.99. Do you think it's a black?
I don't know.
No. Kyber Crystal number 1. By the way, this is the black thing that they put in there now to hide if it's a Black Kyber Crystal. So
You're just gonna buy one per trip? This is it?
one for trip. This is the first one. I already have a red Kyber Crystal at home, so I guess it's the second red Kyber Crystal I have, but we're gonna count this as the first one. And hopefully I'm not gonna have to go through a couple hundred or get one of these black. But I thought it'd be interesting because we come to Galaxy's Edge so much with the vlog that each time I come, I'm gonna try for it. So the thermal detonator, Coke, Diet Coke, and Sprite the price has been raised to $6. Good news is you can bring it on the plane, just with no input. Yeah, Olga's raising the prices everywhere.
I don't blame her, man.
She's very greedy.
You've got all these tourists coming here, like, why not?
Right? It makes us harder to get our flight home now. We have our 5-star.
Oh my gosh.
It's not a trip to Batuu without getting recruited by Hondo and taking a ride in that famous hunk of junk.
Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right, pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Wait, what?
It's never gonna get old.
Hey, Chewie, proud.
I want more missions though. I want more missions.
The Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Okay, so that is our journey to Batuu for today. But we'll be back.
Yes.
I will get a Black Kyber Crystal. If you like this video and you want to see more adventures, the Galaxy's Edge, theme parks, movies, adventures, and more, what should they do?
You know what to do. Come on, unless you're new here. If you are new here, you should subscribe, like, hit that bell, all those good things to keep you informed when we post new videos. We go to Galaxy's Edge a lot, so you're gonna want to be subscribed.
Yeah. Thanks for watching,
Yeah.
and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Bright Sun's, yes.
Oh, Bright Sun's
Fresh
here.
monkey juice right here, guys. Fresh
Thank you.
monkey juice.